If you want to add a slider in WordPress with Elementor free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to create a clean image slider using Elementor's built-in Image Carousel widget completely inside the free version. This is perfect if you want to build a homepage hero section, showcase featured images, or add a simple moving banner without installing extra plugins. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips, Elementor tutorials, and easy website guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the page or section where you want to place the slider. Make sure you're editing with Elementor and that you're inside the container where the slider should appear. Now click the plus icon inside that container. This opens the Elements menu on the left side of the screen where you'll see the widget options, including things like div block, flexbox, and other Elementor elements. Now stay on the Widgets tab in the left panel. At the top, you'll see the search widget box. Type the word carousel into that search bar. Elementor will filter the widgets and show you the Image Carousel widget. In Elementor Free, this is the built-in slider tool you can use without needing a paid add-on. Next, drag the Image Carousel widget from the widget list and drop it right onto the plus icon or the highlighted blue area inside your container. Once you release it, Elementor will insert the carousel into your layout and open the settings panel on the left. Now it's time to configure the slider so it looks more like a hero section. The first thing you'll want to do is add your images. Click the plus box in the carousel settings and select the images you want to use as slides. You can choose one image at a time or multiple images from your media library, depending on the design you want. After that, look for the slides to show setting. Change this from default to 1. This is important if you want that clean, full-width slider effect where only one image is visible at a time. If you leave it on the default setting, it may show multiple images side by side, which is not ideal for a hero banner. Then go to the image size option and set it to full. This helps keep the images sharp and prevents them from looking blurry or compressed on larger screens. If your images are designed for a header or hero section, full size usually gives the best result. Next, find the stretch image setting and turn it on by setting it to yes. This makes the image fill the full width of your container, which is exactly what you want if you're building a clean professional slider for the top of your page. Once your slider is set up, you can move over to the Style tab at the top of the left panel. Here, you can customize how the navigation looks. You can adjust the arrows, dots, spacing, and other visual details so the slider matches your website design. If your site has a minimal style, you may want to keep the controls simple. If you want a more interactive feel, make the arrows and dots easier to see. At this point, take a moment to preview everything. Make sure the images are displaying correctly, the slider is centered properly, and the layout looks good on desktop and mobile. Elementor makes it easy to adjust the spacing and alignment if something feels off. Now, one very important note. If you specifically want text and buttons to move together with the images, the free Image Carousel widget will not do that. It only slides the images themselves. So if you want a true animated hero slider with text overlays that move with each slide, you'll still need a plugin like Smart Slider 3. But if your goal is a simple image slider in WordPress using Elementor Free, this built-in method works great and keeps things lightweight. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. That saves your changes and makes the slider live on your website. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a slider in WordPress with Elementor Free using the Image Carousel widget. It's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners who want a clean slider without paying for extra tools. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next WordPress and Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.